From the outside, it looks like a regular school bus, but instead of seats, there is a fully functioning orchid propagation laboratory inside. The lab will travel to Miami-Dade County Schools, where Fairchild Director of Education Amy Padoff says it will give students a multidisciplinary approach to science education.
They're actually looking at the biology, the statistical data analysis. They're going to be looking at environmental science. They're going to be doing some cultural studies as well through this.
The Miami School District donated the bus. Students from UM's School of Architecture then had to turn it into a sterile laboratory in just one semester. And Fairchild's director, Carl E. Lewis, says that was no easy job.
Just dirt, grime, and mold. It was terrible. And the students just stripped all the insides out and proceeded to build all the cabinets, put a generator in under the bus. We were working on this around the clock.
And their hard work paid off. The bus is now a haven for orchid planting, complete with sterile areas that are crucial in the propagation process.
And the whole process takes a year or 18 months for the orchids from seed to get out of the container. So it'll take multiple visits of the stem lab. The orchids graduate from the containers and they're ready to live in the real world. We're going to have the students literally gluing the orchids to the branches of trees around their schools.
If all goes well, in 5 years, the seeds from the STEMlab bus will bloom into orchids like these. The orchids will grow in urban areas around South Florida, but the STEMlab's benefits go farther than just beautifying the community.
Not only is it a conservation initiative, but it's also authentic scientific research for these students to participate in that has real-world implications.
So we're getting school children to be involved in planting rare orchids, not just in theory and concept, but in reality.
The bus will start visiting Miami middle schools this spring. And like the orchids, the program only has room to grow. For UMTV, I'm Caroline Herder.